There he is! The world's first superhero motivational speaker! Principal Cortez.
TMoore. I gotta know. What's that?
What was your childhood like?
I have the power and the fighting capability to destroy them. And you're telling me that I can't? What is this for? What are we doing here? I'm getting jumped. I'm losing, B. Not you, me.
One day, you're gonna find out what you really are.
What's that?
You will see.
So what services do you provide? So, are there any other speakers out there like you?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
Is everybody ready?